Maya, come on. Look, come on. Stop doing that. Come on. You ain't stuck. You not stuck.
Don't mess with that garbage can.
Come on. Come here, pretty girl.
We ain't say come on, mommy. Come over here, mommy gonna put you to work.
Say hi. Maya.
Put you to work.
Maya, say hi. Maya.
You help me fold your clothes.
Say hi. Say hey.
Hey. Say hey. Say hey, Maya. Say hey. Say hey.
Maya.
You gonna put away your clothes?
Hey. Say mwah. Oh, you stuck now, huh? See how you do when you try to rub me over? Say hey. Get your finger out your mouth. Get your finger out your mouth. You could put it back. Oh yeah? Come on. Come here, Maya. Come here, Maya. Good girl. Okay, this is about the end of the road, okay? Don't run me over.